What's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to fix mouse acceleration in Marvel Rivals. So basically there's an inbuilt system in Marvel Rivals that helps you turn off your mouse acceleration. You can find it inside the game settings under the combat submenu. So you can turn off your mouse acceleration there. And if it still doesn't work for you, what you can do is follow the next step that I'm about to show you. So let's get on with it. First press Windows R and turn on the Run tab. Type %local app data %. So this folder will open up. So look for the Marvel folder here. So here's the Marvel folder. Click on it. Get inside. Go to Config. Go to Windows, and you'll find the game user settings here. Then click on it. So what we have to do is put in some code here. So I'll show you the code. So copy this code here and paste. So after that, close it. Click on Save. Close it. Then come back here again, right click on it, game user settings, go to properties, and click here read only, apply, okay. Just do these things and your mouse acceleration should be turned off and your problem with the mouse acceleration is fixed. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Take care.